Okay, so you just go to the Google and simply name, write the name, name theme, and this is the website, namecheap.com. I just click yes. So if you have an account and Namecheap, that's fine, but if you not, you just simply create this account. So I have already account, then I log in. So you go to the hosting and select the share hosting, and you see the first option is this package is $21.88 per year. So click the simply get started button, and so if you have already account, already domain name, then you just click existing domain name, your domain name, right, this. And if you are not domain name, you just click new domain. So you just simply go to the search bar and write the new domain name, like example master web 5. It is if it is available, then it's come, but if it not available, then it's not come. So that's fine, it is come. So simply I just select the this and scroll the page and click the connect to hosting button, and successfully connect the domain in hosting. So you just click the simply button add to cart. Okay, that's fine. So this is the interface of this phase. Okay, I just so if you want to SSL package in under your domain, then you buy it's $4.98. Just add. Okay, it's already successfully add. Then the price is updated 32.74 dollars. Okay, so everything is done. Okay, okay, confirm the order. Okay, so simply you just feel the this button like this I just like, okay, just like this. Okay, select your country and everything is done. Then okay, everything is done. Then I did not give the right details in my because I have already buy domain. You just complete simply select, click the continue button, and payment process is done. Then your domain is buy. So